Hey folks, welcome back to another video on how you can watch Disney Plus Hotstar outside of India. Last year I created a video showing you how you can watch Disney Hotstar outside of India using Hola VPN. But there was a limitation with that VPN, and recently some of you guys commented on that video that Hola VPN is not working anymore. Fortunately, I have a new VPN for you guys, and this one is totally free and don't have any limitation. Yeah, no data caps, so you can watch your favorite Disney Hotstar shows without any interruptions. Thanks to one of our viewers for suggesting this VPN. This VPN is called Urban VPN and it is available for all the Chromium based browsers, your Android, your iOS and your PC as well. The installation is quite simple. Just go to the Chrome extension store, search for Urban VPN and click on Add to Chrome or Add to Browser, whatever option you see on your screen. The best part about this VPN is you don't need to create an account to use the service of this VPN. Once it's installed, click on this puzzle icon here and click on the pin icon so it will be always visible to you. Now just click on the VPN icon here. The interface is quite simple. Just search for India location in this search box and click on the location. It should connect automatically. Once it's connected, just refresh the page and you will be able to access the website. Same as before, if you want to watch the premium content, you need to buy a premium plan, and buy a premium plan you need an Indian phone number. Unfortunately, I don't have any tricks for that. Now, before finishing this video, I want to tell you a few things about this VPN. First of all, it's a totally free VPN. There are no paid plans for this, so don't expect much with this VPN. Second, it's a P2P VPN, so they don't have any dedicated servers like the paid VPNs out there. It uses user systems as servers. So if you want a more secure or premium VPN, then check out my other video about top 5 VPNs you can use to watch Disney Plus Hotstar. Lastly, I'll say it's not as good as the paid VPNs, but you can still use it to stream Disney Hotstar, and you can also use it if you want to watch US or UK shows on Netflix. It should work there as well. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video gonna help you to watch your favorite Hotstar shows. If the VPN works for you, give this video a thumbs up so the others will know as well, and comment below what shows you are watching on Disney Hotstar. Right now I'm watching a lot of K-dramas. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.